This is a problem of number systems, and it is based on basic calculation. Here we have an info that states any natural number greater than 1 can be written as a sum of two natural numbers. If n is any natural number, in how many ways can you write it as a sum of two natural numbers? So basically here we don't need to do anything but verify the options. First option states that the given sum can be obtained in n plus 1 by two ways if n is odd. So let's take any odd number, say 3. In that case, n plus 1 by 2 will be 2, and if we check the ways in which 3 can be written as a sum of two natural numbers, there is only one way, that is 1 plus 2. Therefore this option is not correct because it states when n is odd there has to be two ways in case we take n equals 3, but there is only one way, so first option is incorrect. Now coming to the second option, it states if n is even, say it is 4, the number of ways will be n by 2 plus 1, which means 4 by 2 plus 1, that is 3. And now check in how many ways 4 can be written as a sum of two natural numbers. First way is 1 plus 3 and second way is 2 plus 2. So there are only two ways in which 4 can be written as a sum of two natural numbers. Therefore this option is also incorrect. Now come to the option 3. It states if n is odd, then the number of ways in which n can be written as a sum of two natural numbers is n minus 1 by 2. So take n equals 3 as we did in the first option. In that case n minus 1 by 2 will be equals 1, and we already know that 3 can be written as a sum of two natural numbers in only one way. Therefore option C is the correct answer. If you want to verify it for some other odd numbers, let's take 5. In case of 5, n minus 1, that is 5 minus 1 by 2 will be equal to 2, and check in how many ways 5 can be written as a sum of two natural numbers, and these ways are 1 plus 4, 2 plus 3, and there are only two ways in which 5 can be written as a sum of two natural numbers. Therefore option C is correct answer.